Hey everyone, welcome back to MangoSchool. Today we're talking about a product that's making waves all over social media, the Halsten Stride. It's being promoted as a red light therapy hip brace that supposedly relieves outer hip pain, restores collagen, and even helps menopausal women with muscle stiffness, all using a so-called triple wavelength system. Sounds impressive, right? But when we took a closer look, the story started to fall apart. Let's dive into what's really going on behind these glowing claims. On their website, Halsten Stride says their device was clinically tested on 127 women with a 95% pain reduction rate after 12 weeks. They also mention that no tendon ruptures occurred during the study. But here's the first red flag. There's no published clinical trial, no link to any research database, and no identifiable medical team behind those results. If this was a real medical breakthrough, you'd expect to find it in a peer-reviewed journal or at least on a public registry. Instead, we found nothing. One of their biggest credibility hooks is Dr. Mitchell, supposedly a health specialist, endorsing the product. But when we ran a reverse image search, things got interesting. The so-called doctor image appears across multiple unrelated wellness ads, meaning it's likely AI-generated or stock photo material. No medical license, no clinic, no professional footprint anywhere online. Just a made-up character to make their product seem legitimate. Then we looked at the customer testimonials, and you guessed it, most names, photos, and reviews appear copied or AI-generated. Phrases like, "I've regained my youthful energy," and finally, "a cure for menopause hip pain," repeat across different red light device websites. It's a clear sign of template marketing, where fake reviews are used to sell cheap products under a new brand name. Now, let's talk science for a second. Yes, red light therapy can help with surface-level healing and mild inflammation, but the claims of restoring collagen deep in joints or reversing menopausal symptoms? That's not supported by any credible evidence. There's no study showing that wearing an LED brace can stimulate deep joint collagen or affect hormone regulation. So the triple wavelength system? Probably just marketing jargon to sound advanced. And here's where the manipulation kicks in. All classic high-pressure sales tactics designed to rush you into buying before you can research it. There's also no clear company information, no manufacturer address, and no FDA registration record. If something goes wrong, you have no real way to contact them or get a refund. So is Halsten Stride a revolutionary red light therapy device? No. It's yet another unverified, overhyped product using health buzzwords, fake testimonials, and urgency marketing to make sales. If you're struggling with hip pain, speak to a licensed physiotherapist or your doctor. Don't rely on flashy miracle gadgets that can't back up their science. Have you seen the Halsten Stride ads or even tried ordering it? Share your experience in the comments. Your feedback could help others avoid the same trap. And if you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to MangoSchool, and stay tuned. We'll keep exposing fake wellness tech so you can shop smarter.